Hello mga bebs! Welcome back to our channel. So for this video, aking ituturo sa inyo yung mga important tips kung paano makabuhay ng mga succulents sa isang rain or shine location. So unang-una sa lahat, ayan. So these are my rain or shine succulents. So we have here a Graptosidum ghostii, a golden sedum, a sedum adolphi, a sedum trisleci, or hindi ko sure kung Shangri-La ba to. Shangri-La to. This is a sedum Shangri-La, mga Mendoza. We have a crested moonstone, Graptoveria Harry Watson, Graptoveria Fred Ives, Graptophytum supreme, and mga sedum pachyphilum or banana. So these are my succulents that are rain or shine. So as you can see, lahat sila ay thriving, especially the Fred Ives. Ayan, super dami nila. And you know, halos kasing laki ng palad ko. So yan. So what you need to remember when trying to grow succulents in a rain or shine location, especially dito sa atin sa lowlands, kung saan umuulan na umuulan, especially pag rainy season, important na clay pot yung gamit natin dahil it will allow your soil mix to dry out faster. Para kahit mabasa sila ng ulan, hindi mag-waterlog or hindi maninatiling super basa yung soil mix at hindi magra-rot yung mga roots and the stem of our plants. Second naman, aside sa clay pot, is dapat yung soil mix na ginagamit mo is gritty. Yan, nakikita nyo, halata naman na almost maraming pumice. 70% pumice yung composition ng ating soil mix for our rain or shine succulents. Yan, 70% yung pumice. So that is to ensure that is your soil mix ay mayroong very good na water drainage at hindi siya mag-waterlog. Next naman, for sunlight, this area receives direct sun. Wala na tong shade net, wala na tong UV plastic. Kaya minsan makikita mo may mga sunburn yung iba sa kanila. Pero after the initial sunburn, they will recover. Pangit sila sa umpisa, but after nila mag-recover, yung mga new growth nila will be tolerable or it will tolerate the sunlight sa area na to. So, pag dito sila lumaki, dito sila nag-grow ng mga bagong leaves, hindi na po masusunog yung mga leaves, yung mga bagong leaves ng ating mga succulents. So yun lang yung need nyo i-remember pag rain or shine. Very very important, clay pot or any well-draining pot, tas well-draining soil mix. And always remember, only plant succulents that you can lose or you can afford to lose. So yung mga tanim po, mga common succulents na kaya nyong mamatay, yun lang yung ilagay nyo sa rain or shine situation. Huwag kayong maglalagay dito ng mga mahal na mga Korean succulents. Especially pag, for example, pinag-ipunan nyo talaga ng totoo yung mga succulents nyo and hindi nyo kayang ma-afford na mawala sila, huwag nyo subukang ilagay sila sa rain or shine unless super sigurado kayo na mabubuhay nyo siya. One plant naman na testing ko na kahit hindi clay pot, yan o, jadelets. Meron tayo ditong malaking pot. Yan. So jadelets, very tested, both the variegated and the green one. Rain or shine, mas nag-thrive sila sa rain or shine. I will make a video about it soon, pero wag muna ngayon kasi medyo busy pa ako. So just a short video lang muna. So yun lang guys. I hope kita nyo, nagsa-start din ako mag gardening na nakatanim na sa lupa na wala ng pot-pot. So I'm really hoping na yung area na to, pati yung dun sa kabila, matransform ko into a succulent flower bed. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and watch na rin kayo ng other videos here, and subscribe to my channel also. So once again, I'm Nick, and goodbye.